What's up, you guys? Back with another video. So today we're going to be using the Sensational Unit 4 Bare Lace wig. It has a 13 by 6 closure on it, and yeah, I'm excited about this install, y'all. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, y'all know I ain't no pro when it comes to wig installs. I do what I can do and I move on. And to me, it be good enough. Like, I get plenty of compliments on it. I be feeling myself. As long as I'm feeling myself, that's all that really matter, right? So, this is more of a show and tell slash review more than an actual like tutorial. But, we'll just go with it. I got the one that had like the chestnut peekaboo in it. And I absolutely loved it. It comes with like the back is really, really long. Like it's like really, really, really long. And so I know I ended up cutting mine some just to give it a more natural length, but that's just me. I always take my combs out because I don't know, they're uncomfortable. You have on a stocking cap. It's not like you can use them anyway. So I don't like them laying against my head. So I always just take them off, and it's always pretty easy to do so as long as you have a brow shaver. So has a big, nice closure. It has the little strap thingy in the back. I love that everybody is starting to put those in the syntheticas now because it really does help. Um, yeah, failure to launch. We gonna try that again. Anyway, uh, so once we get baby on, she actually really, really slays. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Now, I always like to use a liquid foundation, and I can't get the perfect shade, so I usually use a shade that is darker than what I would usually do, and then a little bit of a lighter one, and it gets me exactly what I need. But that's what I use most of the time to tint my lace with. I put that on first, and then because I'm not going to be wearing this wig like overnight, I'm going to take it off during the day. I'm going to use a lighter glue method to, melt my lace. So we'll get into that. But I don't use my actual, what do you call it? My actual makeup. I just use I just have a cheap foundation. I don't know, some beauty supply one. I can't remember which one it is, but just any cheap one worked fine for me. And then I use the even just wig glue because I feel like that's a good temporary way to lay your lace for the day. Now, once you take a shower, that's gone. You feel me? But that hair is so, so soft, and the layers in it were absolutely beautiful. I really, really loved it. Now, it's a synthetica as normal, like me taking it off at night, of course, increases the longevity of the hair. Sleeping in it and everything, bonnet or not, is going to cut down on how long the wig is going to look good. But for the most part, when I wear synthetic, I try to take it off at night. Um, the only one I feel like I get away with wearing that, like wear overnight, is Letitia with a bonnet and it's tied down good. Letitia does pretty well. But this one, I don't know. It may. You can try it. It is a kinkier texture, not as kinky as Letitia, but it's still a little kinkier. It's softer, but it's kinkier. It's on the kinkier side, I guess you can say. But yeah, I love this wig. I got a lot of compliments on this unit. It was absolutely gorgeous. I added some more layers to it to frame around my face, of course. But it doesn't take much maintenance when it comes to this hair as far as getting it to give what it needs to give. The curls already be curling. And I love that about a synthetica. Like you just can't go wrong. So for something, cute and quick, I feel like this one is cute. Unit 4 is definitely one of the girls. You feel me? But yeah, I'll let you watch the rest of the video. But as far as I'm concerned, seal of approval. Seal of approval, okay? But I'm gonna go and y'all can listen to the rest of this music. And as for me, it's on to the next hair. So I hope to see y'all there.